Have you ever been cruising down the highway, minding your own business, when suddenly your car slams on the brakes? Heart pounding, you look ahead, only to find an unexpected obstacle inches away. If you own a Tesla, chances are you've experienced this at least once. But why does it happen? And is it safe? Let's dive into the world of Tesla's auto brake system. Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, has made waves in the automotive industry with its advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. At the core of these systems is auto brake, a feature designed to prevent or mitigate collisions by automatically applying the brakes when a potential hazard is detected. But how does it actually work? Imagine your Tesla as a highly intelligent robot with superhuman reflexes. Equipped with an array of sensors, including radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, it constantly scans its surroundings. When the system detects a potential collision risk, such as a car abruptly stopping ahead, a pedestrian crossing the road, or a stationary object in your path, it springs into action. Auto brake operates in two primary modes: automatic emergency braking, AEB, and collision warning. AEB is the system's most aggressive response, applying maximum braking force to avoid a collision or minimize its impact. Collision warning, on the other hand, provides an audible and visual alert, giving the driver time to react. Now, you might be wondering how reliable this system is. Tesla claims an impressive track record of preventing accidents. Numerous videos online showcase the system's effectiveness in real-world scenarios. However, it's essential to remember that auto brake is a driver assistance system, not a fully autonomous one. The driver remains ultimately responsible for control of the vehicle. False positives are a common concern with any ADAS system. Tesla's auto brake is no exception. The system might occasionally trigger a false alarm, applying the brakes unexpectedly when no imminent danger exists. While this can be startling, it's generally considered a minor inconvenience compared to the potential benefits. Another point of discussion is the system's behavior in different weather conditions. While Tesla has made significant strides in improving its sensors and software, adverse weather can still impact the system's performance. Heavy rain, snow, or fog can reduce visibility, making it more challenging for the car to accurately detect obstacles. Privacy concerns have also been raised regarding the data collected by Tesla's cameras and sensors. While the company maintains that data is used to improve the system's performance and develop new features, some users have expressed reservations about the potential misuse of personal information. Despite these challenges, Tesla's auto brake remains a valuable safety feature. It can significantly reduce the severity of accidents and even prevent them altogether. However, it's crucial to understand the system's limitations and use it as a supplement to, not a replacement for, attentive driving. So, should you rely on auto brake? The answer depends on your comfort level with technology and your driving habits. Some people find it reassuring to have an extra layer of protection on the road, while others prefer to rely solely on their own driving skills. Ultimately, the decision is yours to make. By understanding how auto brake works and its potential benefits and drawbacks, you can make an informed choice about whether to enable this feature in your Tesla. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.